Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to build a content gap agent in Botsify. First of all, create an account on data4seo.com. Then hop over to the website mentioned on top and you will see a screen like this. Simply copy the base 64 format key. Go to botsify.com, click on create agent, select agent and enter name. Give the bot the following prompt that has been used or adjust as per your requirements. Click on connector, then server on the top right of the box. Enter the following link, enter name under authentication, select custom headers. In header, type authorization. In value, paste the token like this in Botsify. First type basic, then a space, then your key. Add server and move on. Head over to AI prompt, click edit, clear the current prompt. Paste this prompt as follows and save. We did it. Let's test our agent. As it asks for, provide your website domain as well as your competitor's domain. There you go. You got a very detailed report, including potential keywords, competitor's URL, and traffic potential difficulty. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.